Hello and welcome back to the box room. David Bradley here. So I've been tinkering on this Amiga 2000 and I've been finding quite consistently that it is not happy when it has two external floppies. Which, I mean, it's still a chance. Maybe there's something wrong with the Amiga 2000. Possibly. Anyway, I'm going to set that one down there. I'm going to grab this one and I'm going to try with its short little cable. Which is funny, it always wants to end up upside down. Maybe then. Maybe I should turn the drive upside down. Maybe then. The cable. No, it still wants to be upside down. Okay, let's let the cable kind of flow. Still wants to be upside down. Alright, so look for the port right in the middle of everywhere. And we get it in there. Oh, we are secure. Alright. So we'll turn on the Amiga 2000, which does not have a hard drive, but that's a whole other story. And we'll wait for it to come up and look. Oh, this isn't just an Amiga 2000. It has extra RAM, and it also has an accelerator card. But at this moment, we're just checking the drives. Okay, I'm going to put in my Workbench copy. I am. Let's see if it boots nicely. And so far, so good. Earlier on in previous episodes, I had some weird things going on with discs. And I'm kind of sad that I actually ran Disk Doctor on them. It's been a long time. Maybe I just should have been patient and waited. Let's see what was what. Alright, so this seems to be booting. It does. Perhaps what I will do is open up this disk box, which has brand new discs in it. I will take it out of its protective sleeve. I will put the sleeve back into the box. Close the box ever so gently. And then I will put this disc, which should come up as bad. Oh, what's going on here? Now that's weird. It doesn't want to go. Oh, there it goes. Now it's in. And a little. Alright, I hear a funny little noise. Alright, so here we have copy of Workbench 1.3, and we have DF2 bad. So you know what? We'll drag it over. And it says that we should put Workbench 1.3 in DF0 and the destination disk in DF2, and we should continue. And then we listen. And if we gently hear things clicking, that's a good sign. And so far, we gently hear things clicking. That's a good sign. It is indeed. All right. So this should end up being copy of Workbench 1.3. We're at 22. Now, I'm sure there's other things that I could do to test these drives, and I will find them. I will. But for the moment, this is pretty good. I have so many discs and things and stuff to test. So many. So many. So many. But certainly, I mean, these discs, they can't have, well, could they have micro corrosion after sitting in the same box, in the same air, hermetically sealed for 35 years? I think not. And I have a stack of discs that were also in their original plastic wrap, because you could buy discs in both. I hear a funny little high-pitched squeal from this drive. It doesn't mean there's anything wrong. Oh, and now it's gone away. It's funny, when you get to know a computer, or like even just today when I started up the dryer to dry some things that I had washed, I thought, that sounds a little different. It's funny, these slight, oh, I hear that squeak again, these slight variations. Oh, okay, no, it's not copy of, it's copy 2 of Workbench 1.3. Lovely. I think what I'm going to do is pop out the copy and pop out copy 2. I'm going to get this joystick out of the way. And then I'm going to do Control Amiga and reboot. Let's see, and make sure that this disk seems to be happy. Because it's easier to think that you have a working disk drive when it actually copies something and it actually reads and boots. It is. Okay. So we'll see. And it looks okay. The mouse is working well on the mouse pad. We just have one more, I think. Let me look up here. Well, you know what? Way up, way up, way up. I do have another disk drive here, and I believe it doesn't work. But I did like it. It was the small one that had 2 drives, and it was really literally no bigger than if you had 2 drives stacked on each other. I have never explored to see, are the drives dirty? Are the heads dirty? Or is there something else going on? Anyway, so far, we're booting. And we have booted. Copy 2 of Workbench. Maybe, as I can. Now I don't know. Will it let me rename this? I don't. Oh, it will. Okay. Hello. What's going on here? Oh, yes. Delete. Not. I will try this. It let me rename it. How lovely. Now, this disk, actually, I may just, and it worked. I may put this disk back in the box, back in the sleeve. Why? Well, it's tested. It does. Where's the sleeve? There's a little sleeve. There it is. Right there. It's funny, then I wonder, that dual drive I was talking about, did it fail because there was something wrong, or maybe was the machine I was hooking up to it not wanting to deal with 2 drives? I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, one thing you can always tell, drive 0 just sits there clicking, saying, yo, give me my disk. Now, right now, it's funny, I could put in another disk that says it's Workbench 1.3, but it probably won't like it. It probably wants the one that I used. Probably. So I guess we have one more drive to test. And then maybe, if I'm brave, we'll see about the one up there. Maybe, possibly. Yeah. Well, I guess I should turn that off and prepare for the the swapping of the drives. So, I guess what we got? 3 down, 1 to go. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.